Ay, wow. Ayos, ngayon. This is my second flight after the maiden. So I just found a new spot, a new flying spot. Medyo madami lang dumadaan na sasakyan kasi tabi ng kalsada. And may linya ng kuryente. There's a electricity line, power lines. Hopefully there will be no effect on signal like electromagnetic interference. Parang mabagal yung battery niya. It's a cable. Kuryente yan. Isasabit yan. You just have to fly in a low altitude because of the wind. You know, lalakas na yung hangin. Malakas na yung hangin. Alright. Medyo galaw na siya. Good thing naka siya, stabilize mode. Stable siya. It is very stable in a wind condition like this. So there's still some power. I forgot to use the rudder for the coordinated turns. I just used the aileron, which did not have enough power to navigate and to turn the aircraft. Unlike if you use the combination of aileron and rudder. Still fighting with the wind. Still a healthy battery. Still have a good charge. Yeah. Nice. Yan na. Lakas na ng hangin. I had to land. I had to land. I think I had to land na. There's already strong wind. I had to land. I had to land. The wind is picking up. Look at the leaves. I had to land na. Come on. Come closer. Yan ang problema kasi it should be land like against the wind, but the problem is